How to share reels on Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In this guide video I will show you the way on how you can actually share reels to your Instagram story. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, posting a reel to your own story is very simple. First of all, make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, and in the search box you type in Instagram. Go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Instagram app, you want to simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now let's say that you can see this particular reel over here. So this is basically a reel, and if I want to share this to my story, it's very simple. All you have to do is simply tap on this little DMs icon at the bottom right corner. And so if I go ahead and select this DMs icon over here, you'll find all sorts of various options, and you can go ahead and send this to one of your friends, or you can add this to your story by selecting add reel to your story button. So you can see this one right over here, select add reel to your story option, and basically now you could go ahead and simply view them in your story. So let the reels to be loaded on my story first. So as you can see over here, the reel has been successfully loaded in my story, and now you could go ahead and change the colors of this. You could add some fancy text, you could go ahead and increase or decrease the size of this particular reel, and now you could just go ahead and upload them to your story. However, on another occasion, what happens is that most of the times you'll also not be able to find the reels option over here which says add reel to story. That's because most likely that person has turned on private account. So if that person has a private account, it's because only you're one of their followers. That's why you're being able to see those reels. But if you don't find it, it means that their account is private. Hopefully this video answered your question as to how you can share reels to Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.